Okay, it is time for another AliExpress gadget recommendations. This came a few days ago. I spent about $14 on this. This is a battery charger, discharger, storage enabler, and a tester as well. And it accepts multiple types of batteries, lithium ion to Nike to Nike CD. These are the battery cell types it accepts. So if you want to pause the video and have a look at it, you can. And essentially move the springs here to fit in the batteries. Cool. So this is a pretty useful device. I charged a few batteries on this already, and the way it works is you have 4 channels. Each channels are independent. This takes a Type-C USB. Just make sure you have power output of 5 volts, 2 amps, which pretty much all wall USB power bricks will provide. You click on mode, and it tells you at the moment it's on charge mode. The voltage going in, the power currently in the battery that's currently being charged, and how long it's been charged for, and basically, yeah. So this is channel 1, 2, 3, 4. At the moment I only have batteries in 2 channels, so I can go to channel 1. It shows the status of channel 1, and I go to channel 3, and it shows the current status of channel 3. You can press these to switch between 1 and 2, and you can press that to switch between 3 and 4. Current will change the current option, and the mode is where things get interesting. So at the moment it is on charge mode. You hold it, it'll start flashing, and once it starts flashing, you click on mode again to cycle between charge, discharge, test, and back to charge again, and then just leave it. Once you leave it, after about 8 seconds or so, it will just lock onto that mode. So wait for it, and it locked onto that, and it resumes charging. So yeah, I charged quite a few batteries with these. These are pretty, had no issues. It reports everything correctly as well. The reason why I'm recommending this is because, one, you get a reliable charger. You can also test your batteries as well, especially if you're living in rural areas where batteries could be a life-saving component. So you can put your batteries in, test them to make sure that they are at a capacity they are rated for, and they haven't degraded. So you can sort of weed out the bad from the good. And also it is a reliable charger, and it's going to charge the batteries correctly as well. And also it will save you space as well, because this will charge loads of types of batteries, including lithium ion, so you don't have multiple chargers for different kind of batteries. But yeah, I highly recommend it. Just wait for it to go on sale, and yeah, just grab your LiitoKala when you have time and if you need it. Alright, cheers.